My burger is soaked. Like, why?
A soggy McChicken. This is what happens when you upset your Coca-Cola in your crispy McChicken. Yum.